So now let's reverse this process and factor the trinomials. So here we have x squared minus 7x minus 18, the same one. We know it should factor this, but if I didn't know the answer already, I know that I need two numbers that multiply to make negative 18 and add to make negative 7. And since my leading coefficient is 1, I know these first terms are going to be x. Now, what are my m and n that multiply to make negative 18 and add to make negative 7? Those numbers are negative 9 and positive 2. And I don't need to show any more work than that because I understand the pattern to work backwards. Now, when your leading coefficient a is greater than 1, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. So remember, first we need to look at a multiplied by c. We're looking for something that multiplies to make 36, yet adds to make negative 15. What are those two numbers? Well, those numbers are going to be negative 12 and negative 3. So that means I'm going to factor this b term, or split my b term into being negative 12x minus 3x plus 4. So the two numbers m and n came from here. So this is my m and this is my n, this is my m and this is my n, in case we're forgetting. So now I'm going to factor this 4-term polynomial by grouping. So 9x squared minus 12x plus negative 3x plus 4. So now out of my first two terms, I can factor out a 3x, and that leaves 3x minus 4. Here I can factor out a negative 1 because my leading coefficient is negative, and that leaves 3x minus 4. So now here's my binomial GCF of 3x minus 4, and that will leave 3x minus 1. So when we have leading coefficient equal to 1, factor to x plus m plus x plus n, where m and n multiply to make b and add to make negative 18. And here, multiply your a times c to find factors that split your b, and then factor by grouping.